So unless Eddie's informant was lying to me, the entrance to Riddler's robot factory is hidden in here. Keycards on the goons. Of course. Eddie's in prison and he's still wasting my time. Can't let him see me. Easy.
Everybody got their key cards?
Yeah, good. Don't lose them, because we have got him made. That put half the city in jail. Penguin's boys ain't getting paid. Two-Face's boys spent the night robbing banks and they ain't getting paid. But Riddler's boys, we're getting paid.
You're damn right we are. God bless that Nigma and his electronic account system.
Makes me feel bad for all the times I cornered nerds in high school and made them eat their glasses. Well, he was gonna replace us with those robots.
Yeah, and look how that worked out for him. When Nigma gets out of jail, I think this pack of atavistic idiots
One down.
are gonna be facing our inevitable you know, the robots.
We can take care of the robots right now. Go downstairs and trigger Nigma's self-destruct mechanism.
His computer stuff down there. We blow it up. No more pay. Gee, Larry. Come on, you need to think tactically if you're gonna outwit the machine.
So what exactly happened last night, guys? That Arkham Knight guy? He was Joker all along. No way. It's true. Trust me.
That's two.
Think Catwoman's gonna come for Riddler after last night?
I'd like to see her try. Little Sneak will end up with another collar around her neck.
I don't know, man. Two-Face messed with the cat. He's still got the scars.
And three. Easy. Time to head back to the terminal. Come on, come on. 3 keys. Why is it always 3 keys? Here we go.
Someone's here! All of you, keep your eyes open and find them.
Great. Better take them out before heading in.
Whoever they are, they ain't taking us!
Shoot him dead.
Is everybody okay?
I'm clear!
Okay, guys, stay calm. We'll be okay.
Huh? This guy, is he dead?
Where are you?
I'm over here!
I see her!
I'm gonna go check on my friend.
Poor schmuck.
This'll flush that freak out. Deploying charge. 3, 2, 1.
defense.
Here, kitty cat! Here, kitty cat!
I thought Catwoman was a bad guy, like us.
Not always.
Can we change your mind?
Hey, what happened to you?
I heard something.
Me too.
Come back here. Get over here now. You're gonna get away.
I'm gonna see if the guy who got hit is still breathing.
Help, over here. She's getting away.
You're all mine, freak!
This'll flush that freak out. Deploy charge. Show yourself.
Okay, that's the idiots taken care of. Now for the door. Let's see. Switches and symbols, of course. Why is it never a lock? I can pick locks. Did it. That officially is the last of these damn things I ever do.
Computer! Computer! It is I, your master.
Hello, the Riddler. You sound very smart today.
Thank you, computer. But this is a matter most exigent.
Error. Do not understand. Exigent.
It means urgent. Understand? Now.
Thank you, the Riddler.
Yes, you're welcome. Now, the Gotham Police Department currently has me immured, and I...
Error. Do not understand. Immune. Elevator manual override activated. Beginning descent.
What?
Hey, Eddie.
Catwoman.
Aren't you in prison?
No prison can hold me. Hang on a second. Why, yes, Officer Cash, I'm just talking to my lawyer. Get out!
Calm down, Eddie. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to steal all your money and destroy everything you've built here. Okay?
No! I don't approve of that defense strategy, good sir. Riddler, attack! Woman, remember this trick?
I'll cut you to ribbon! Just die! Please!
Catwoman! I can't see. Are you dead?
No?
I mean, why? That's an outrageous bail price.
Destination. Sub-basement level reached.
Oh, Catwoman, I'm going to defeat you from within prison. Isn't that humiliating? I was going to track you down after I broke out of here. Thank you for saving me the trouble. You're no Batman, and he's overrated.
Overrated?
You'll regret this. You think you can just steal from me? When I get out of here, my vengeance will combine the fury of Achilles with the patience of Prospero. You'll be looking over your shoulder so hard, that empty head of yours will unscrew and fall right off. You'll...
Keep it down, Enigma. Don't make me take away your shit.
Sorry, Officer. My, but your hook is particularly shiny today. Yes, Riddler Bot. Come on. You're not getting eating claws on 1% of my money. Try out some of my newly acquired person sludge. Shake her good, robots! My creation will tear you apart! In court! Ready to die?
Eddie's computer's through that door. Time I got paid.
Riddler bots! Riddler bots! Riddler!
Oh, gee. It's locked.
And encrypted, so good luck! Good luck!
Voice print accepted. Welcome, the Riddler.
No!
Thanks, Eddie.
No! I won't accept a plea bargain!
Eddie, you're not going to need 2.73 million in jail, are you? They feed you for free.
Stop!
And what are you going to do with a robot factory while you're in there? Arrange some sort of elaborate prison break?
Please, please. Do you want me to beg? I can beg. Mercy. Mercy. Please!
All right, Enigma, time you calm down.